Hello everyone, friends. Today on the channel, I'll show you how to create a main menu in Roblox. There are basically two options. Yes, you can do it the long and tedious way through the GUI starter. Here's the GUI screen, then you upload the GUI screen to the frame. Yes, create buttons, another frame for buttons, and so on and so forth. So, nerdy way, right? Like creating the main menu and scripting it through scripts. But you don't really need to do all that since it's basically the same. You can just go to the toolbox. Here's the main menu GUI. Select any GUI there. Yes, it creates this initial menu. You move the GUI starter and it creates everything you need, right? The starter model of the main menu, so to speak. By the way, you can download scripts here too. The text button scripts here are actually quite simple. In fact, here's close. I'll show you the scripts for shop. Also, here's the user interface corner for each one, and as you can see, a button is tied to each frame. These are the scripts. You still need to assign them to specific functions, but it works anyway. For example, if I launch the game and press play, the game will work. As you can see, settings, credits, and shop don't work because they need to be scripted. That's all. This was me with you. Goodbye, everyone.